Hey everybody, Abby here from Twist Me Pretty. Welcome back to my channel. So I have a really pretty Valentine's Day hairstyle for you guys today. I've seen several of these styles kind of floating around on Pinterest, but I always thought they were too little girl until I saw this one from Lilith Moon. She's amazing. I'll link her tutorial up below, but I wanted to recreate it because I feel like it is still grown up enough to wear, but to still have that special Valentine's Day spirit. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And then before we get started, don't forget to subscribe. I don't want you guys to miss any videos. And then I wanted to kind of show you, I do have two clipped weft extensions in. So one clip, it's just one weft right here, and then one right there. And I have a couple below. I added these ones up top, which I don't normally do, just because I needed the extra length. I have really short layers on top because I like this volume. I like to be able to play with that volume right there, but I need the length for this style, so I've added those weft extensions if you need them. I will link some up below that are my favorites, and yeah, I'm gonna spin around and let's get into the tutorial. So I'm gonna be using this Kenra Platinum. It's like a waxy pomade. I love this stuff. Just put some on your fingers. This is gonna help with flyaways, and then you're just gonna take a section from the front, kind of twist it a little bit, just enough to get those flyaways down. Pull it back and do the same thing on the other side. And then you're gonna tie them together pretty loosely. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this up, flatten this hair out right here, and put a clip there. This is gonna help with any of the flyaways. So, we're gonna take a section of hair right below the ear. Make sure there's pomade on your fingers to help with those flyaways. And then you're gonna reach through, just like this. Grab that hair, and before you pull it through, I'm just gonna create a little hole. So do you see that hole? So I'm pulling the hair up, and then I'm gonna be reaching for the hair and pulling it through that hole that I just made. And then you can kind of cinch up and make that piece tighter. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. A section of hair, pull the section up and through, holding on right here because you need to create that little hole. So now I'm going to put my fingers up through that hole and just twist the tail back down. And I'm going to grab these two pieces, and do you see how that creates like a little heart? You could do so many things right here. You could braid it all the way down. I'm gonna tie it off and show you what it looks like first. And then I'm just gonna loosen that heart kind of up top to accentuate the shape of it.
Loosen the hair so it's nice and soft, and make sure to hide any extensions, and then I used a rat tail comb to push down any flyaways.
It's still so soft and romantic. The curls are really pretty. You could even add like another 3-strand braid right here. You could pull the whole thing into a ponytail or a bun. It'd be perfect even for your daughter, and it's perfect for even us adults. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and then please subscribe to my channel. I am uploading 3 times a week. Monday and Friday are vlogs, and Wednesdays are beauty/hair. So anyway, you can subscribe right here if you're interested, and then I'll leave another tutorial that I think you guys might like for Valentine's Day if you are in the mood to watch more videos. So hopefully we see you guys in the next one. Bye everybody!